ready to go? Or? Yeah, this is going to be the elevator at Macy's at the Galleria Mall.
This is a Montgomery Vector. Unlike some other Montgomerys I've seen the one that they built, this one's on the green light beside the button. Anytime you see anybody, anytime y'all see a green light by the button, that means it's a Montgomery Vector.
Must have been all the way up at the top. There's that new lantern. Again, you talk about non-ADA compliant, that's so high up.
Yeah. See, this is well, right there. This is a little rough start because it was a little. The pump isn't getting all that much feed. There it is. There goes the 3.
Yeah.
It looks like the 1 and 2 is out on the indicator.
Had to press one of those.
Yeah.
Well, the door's a little bit better than it was last time I was here.
Yeah. Well, probably that's because usually there's a belt that drives the doors open and close. The wheels is usually bad though, or something. There's a spindle up there, and it could be that it was probably out of alignment. You see, this is really not much of an ADA elevator because limited space, so the wheelchair would have quite a bit of a time right there. Well, there's the only thing that's ADA is the phone. And it's just a little push button thing.
And then the doors take their time in all aspects here.